Hello there, so this is a very simple strategy for the weekend. I have a position open right now, as you can see it, so please watch it. As I speak, the price will be increasing, okay? This is actually live now. I'm trading at this moment, and I will explain to you why I did open a position right here. Okay, so what's happening? This strategy is super simple and is super effective. What you have to do, you need these bands. These are special bands I have created for you so you can use it for the weekend with Bitcoin ranging strategy. And what happens is when the price goes out of the bands here, you have a signal to sell. Look at the price, 427 as I speak, okay? Anyway, let's come back to the strategy. So you have the triangle here, the price goes out, the price comes back, you go short, okay? You go short. And then we just drop. What happens on Saturday? You need to basically on Saturday create like a range, because you know that Bitcoin is in range. So when the Bitcoin drops, the Bitcoin will go up. When the Bitcoin will go up, the Bitcoin will go down. So look at this, 746 as we speak. Let me just hurry up before we get to 1000. Okay, so there we go. Let me just get this tool here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where is this one? Parallel channel. So what I do usually in the morning, I have a look at this and I see a range. Okay, I see a range. I've got my level here. Let me go to this one and let's go to. You will start like this possibly because you don't know what the range is. But anyway, let me do it like this because I already know what the range is. So what would happen is you need to have also the different levels here. Weekly level, the monthly level, and this is another weekly level as well. You need that one as well, resistance. Let me show you. I will explain to you at the end of the video where you can get these levels from. They are extremely precise and they really work. And I'll give you the YouTube channel where you get them every week for free. So please watch it and take notes. Look at this amount. As we did start, the amount was very small and now it's rising. I will explain to you why I opened the position at this particular moment, why I did open the last Sunday as well and the previous Sunday as well, with exactly the same effects. Okay, so what's happening here? The price goes out, the price comes back. Whenever the price goes out of the bands, you will go long, like in here. You see, that was over the weekend. So that was a really nice profit. Okay, not always the price will go out of the bands, so you can take a risk and you could actually take a short position here as well. In here, it went out of the bands and look at this, nicely came back. And this was really nice because the price went out of the bands and the price was coming back all the way, dropping all Sunday. And this was very important because over here we have a weekly level. And this weekly level was touched many times before. And again today, on 15 minutes time frame, we came to this level, we bounced off, we rejected off this level, and we are at the moment making our way up. Let me show you, over here, till around this area. And this area is the resistance. And it's possible that we're gonna actually come back in here and possibly reject and go down again. But anyway, let's see what happens. So yeah, so that's very super simple. And to make your life more easy as well, what you have to do, you can use these indicators here that I have created for you. And this one is the RSI, so you know how to use it. It's been customized. Look at this one here. You had the bullish divergence showing to you exactly that a possible movement upward will take place. Like it is taking place right now as we can see it. Over here we have 1 second. This is a delta volume indicator. Amazing. And look at this bullish divergence showing us potential move upward. That's incredible. Look at this. This one is Magic Algo 3. That was the simple version that you need to select. And over here, if you click on it, if you hover it, you will see the EMEA 20 is crossing above EMEA 50. So we are possibly gonna continue our movement upward. We all set, we had the position open here. Now, why did I open a position at this particular moment? Okay, so let me explain to you. in Bitcoin trading, we have in cryptocurrency, we have many repeating patterns. I call them time patterns. They just keep repeating, basically. So one of them, one of these patterns was actually Friday pump. We don't have these Friday pumps at the moment. I hope they're going to come back. But what we have now, we have Sunday pump before the US futures open. And this has been happening for the last couple of weeks on Sunday at this particular moment. So now you have this Sunday pump instead of Friday pump. Let's see how long we can keep it going. That's pretty amazing when you know which way possibly the Bitcoin will move. And this has been happening for the last quite a few weeks now. So yeah, though the strategy is super simple, you need these bands. You can use all these different indicators. Look at this one here. We had the signal to sell, amazing. We went out of the bands, beautiful. We had this RSI crossing below 50. We had this delta, volume delta going down here. So when this volume delta goes below 0 and becomes red, that's a signal to go short as well. And over here, this indicator as well showing us that we are possibly going down, and we actually did go down. And now, look at this. As we speak, at this moment, while I was recording this video, we managed to get $1,300 in profit. And this is just to show you how simple that strategy is. So, so super easy, super simple. Look at the profit here, 1,600. And to be honest with you, I'm super confident I can do like a live trade next Sunday, and this is going to happen exactly the same like the last Sunday, the Sunday before, the same kind of a setup. If it's not going to happen, I will identify it. Next, what is really important here are these different levels here. Where do you get them from? Well, let me show you where you get them from. You get them from this guy here, Chart Champions. Have a look on YouTube. And definitely subscribe. Amazing videos, and you're gonna get really good levels. Like over here, for example, he's showing different levels, and that's what I do. I just look at these levels, so you save all the time. You don't need to figure it out yourself. Just use these levels; they work. You can do something. You just focus on trading, get those levels in. Okay, so that's where you get the levels from. And let's go back and see what's happening here. Amazing. Look at this, 1,700 as we speak. I mean, that video is about, what, 15 minutes less? 15 minutes? As we did start the video, we just had a small profit. And I showed you the strategy, how it works. And, it just keeps going up. It just keeps going up as we speak. So this is a live trade. And this is happening at this moment, right now, before the US futures open. What I think might happen is we might be going like this, or possibly we are getting close to the, one second, let me have a look. Look at this. We are getting very close to this weekly level, so possibly we could see some kind of rejection taking place over here. It is possible. It will be like this, and then going down a bit over here, and then going through that. Yeah, so that's an option. But the thing is, now it's a bit too late to go long. Your time was here when we were at this level here, when we actually touched it again. And if you look last Sunday, it was exactly the same. It's like a repetition of Sunday. There's nothing did surprise us about this. Okay, let me close the profit now here. Okay, position is closed. That's it, it's done. The profit is booked. Important to book your profits. That's it. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please message me. I'll be more than happy to explain it to you. And I'll see you next Sunday, the same time. Let's make some profits. If you enjoyed the video and you would like to learn more about these different strategies, how to make a couple of £1,000 or dollars over a weekend, for example, with Bitcoin, definitely press the like button, and I'll be more than happy to share it with you. Okay, so I will put some links in the description. If you need some indicators or if you need anything else, definitely get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.